How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Rayban Meta Wayfarer sunglasses, and these are the size large 53mm version. I also have the 50mm version, the regular size ones, which I can compare it to right after we unbox these. Let's go ahead and just use this little tab right here. We just slide that across to open it up, and if I grabbed it properly, it would have actually opened it up. But you know what? We're gonna do this the more unconventional way. There we go. We're gonna rip the box a little bit. There we go. So not the smoothest unboxing, but that's okay. So we open up that tab and then we open up that, and it's kind of a nice display and a very, very nice packaging for the case. I really like the case that this comes in. The case does have a little LED light right here, and then there is a little button on the back right here which you can use to pair it. And then we also do have the USB-C charging, and it's a very nice material. I don't know if it's real leather or not, but it feels really high quality. We open that up and you can see that the light will start blinking right there. We'll grab the glasses right out of here. They are pretty tightly in with the protector pieces right here, so we'll put that aside for a sec. We'll grab those and we'll take those ones out, and there is the first look. So the first thing you'll notice obviously is that these do have the camera and the sensor on either of the sides right there, and then this is the matte black finish frame with the polarized black lenses on here. And this one, like I said, is the 53mm size large. Very nice quality hinges on here right on each side. And then also to charge it, we do have the little piece port right there, right where your nose would rest on, and that's how it charges in the case. If we look at the case again, you can see on the inside right here, we can pull that tab and that will start allow it to align and charge right on there. So if we fold these closed again, and then we can put that on there, and that will start to charge the glasses themselves. And then you do want to plug it in, and the glasses case does have battery built into it, so we'll help you charge it as well. So we'll leave that out for a second. And what else do we have in here? We do have a nice cleaning cloth, Rayban branded, of course. And then we do have all the instructions and get start guide and all that good stuff. And that's about it. Pretty simple unboxing. And then we'll actually compare it, like I said, to the smaller ones. So that's your 53, the ones that I just unboxed. And then this are the 50mm ones. So you can see there's definitely a size difference. So the smaller ones on the bottom, bigger ones on the top. We'll switch it around now. Smaller ones on the top and bigger ones on the bottom. It's not like a noticeable difference, like super noticeable when you're looking at it right here, but definitely in hand and definitely on face, they are a larger lens. So you decide which ones you like. To be honest, I bought the smaller ones first, and I'm returning the smaller ones now and keeping the bigger ones. I like the bigger framed ones. So that's your unboxing. Let me know in the comment section down below if this video was helpful.